Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a good day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. 16 days na lang, Pasko na. Gusto ko lang pong i-shoutout ang mga kababayan kong OFW na magbabakasyon ngayong December. Ingat sa biyahe mga bossing. At syempre, shoutout din sa mga viewers ko po sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas. Marami pong salamat. Kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan ng quality second-hand cars, panoorin nyo to mga idol. Pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook account, Renato De La Torre Jr. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Eto ng mga unit natin. Nangunguna po sa ating lineup, mayroon tayong 2009 Honda City 1.5e iVTEC automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 82,000 km, price 295,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Meron tayong ditong friendly budget na sedan, first owned unit, fresh unit po ito mga bossing. Reason for sale nito, nag-upgrade po ng 7-seater ang ating first owner. All stock, all original to, 5-speed automatic transmission, smooth and responsive, walang delay. All power and all panel gauge, 100% working. Check nyo po ang actual mileage niyan na tampered. Maayos pa po itong unit kahit po tanggalin ang seat cover niyan. Buo po pong mga upuan, walang damage. Check nyo po engine bay nito, good running condition. Wala pong oil leakage yan at wala pong overheat history. Naka 1.5 liter iVTEC gasoline engine that produces 120 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Outside appearance, presentable shiny paint. Nasa 90% trade line pa pong mga gulong. Kaya sa mga naghanap dyan ng sedan na below 300k ang budget, best buy unit to. Nothing to fix, just gas and go. Next, 2009 Nissan X-Trail 2.5L 4x2 automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 110,000 km, price 265,000. Location BF Homes, Parañaque City. Eto, friendly budget na crossover type Nissan X-Trail 2009 model to pero well maintained and well preserved unit din to. Naka touchscreen Android head unit na po ito. Smooth and responsive 6-speed automatic transmission, malakas sumatak, wala rin pong delay sa shifting. Ayan na po yung Android display, monitor natin. Goods na goods pa to sa 2009 model, all power, working, used but not abused. Maayos pang kondisyon ng mga upuan nito pati sidings. 5-seater ang capacity. Kaya sa mga interesado sa unit na to, pwede nyo pong i-check and you can bring your trusted mechanic. Wala po itong kalampag, ayos pong mga pang-ilalim nito. Ang maganda pa dito sa Nissan X-Trail, maluwag po ang cargo bay nito kaya marami kayong mailalagay. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka-Amaron battery po yan. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Good running condition ng engine nito, ready for long drive. Kompleto naman ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer at naka-registered po ito hanggang 2025. Maayos ang unit na to, 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history. Next, we have 2009 Nissan X-Trail 2.5L 4x4 automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 120,000 km, price 275,000. Location Gatchalian Subdivision, Las Piñas City. Another quality na Nissan X-Trail, 4-wheel drive lang po ito, formado na. All power din, smooth and responsive yung transmission, wala rin pong delay sa shifting. Malinis ang interior nito, maayos ang kondisyon ng mga upuan. Kita naman sa itsura, kahit 2009 model to, well maintained din to ng first owner. 5-seater ang capacity, kaya sa mga interesado dyan, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual, negotiable pa naman po ito upon viewing. Clean and intact ang interior, malinis pa mga ceiling nito, sidings, at solid din ang pang-ilalim nito, wala rin pong unwanted noise. Under the hood, powerful excellent engine, naka 2.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 167 horsepower at 233 Nm of torque. Check nyo to, may rear spoiler na rin to, may roof carrier, presentable outside appearance, kompleto rin ang mga papel nito, LTO and HPG verified. Mga gulong neto, nasa 85% trade life pa po. Must see the unit to appreciate. Only check and test drive naman po tayo. Next, 2015 Kia Sportage 2.0 LX automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 46,000 km, price 458,000. Location Dasmariñas, Cavite. Ang gwapo rin itong compact crossover na Kia Sportage, bagong ceramic coat, presentable outside appearance, clean and fresh intact interior, all stock, all original, naka-stock stereo, malamig po ang aircon with automatic automatic climate control, all power and all mechanism 100% working, 5-seater din ang capacity nito, naka deep dish matting, smooth din ang suspension at wala ring under chassis noise. Under the hood, naka 2.0 liter gasoline engine that produces 153 horsepower at 200 Nm of torque. Smooth and quiet engine, no issue. Available po itong unit natin sa financing, paka-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Sa mga interesado at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2015 acquired Kia Carnival 2.9EX CRDI LWB automatic transmission diesel engine odometer 86,000 km, price 430,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang quality na Kia Carnival 2014 model pero 2015 acquired to. Naka touchscreen head unit na to, naka dual ice cold aircon, 6-speed automatic ang transmission, smooth ang shifting, walang delay, all power windows, power mirrors, automatic sliding door, power tailgate and automatic retractable side mirror, working po lahat. Naka fabric seats po ito, wala namang damage ang mga upuan, 7 to 8 seater ang capacity. Maayos ang kondisyon ng interior nito, foldable po lahat ng upuan, malinis naman ang loob, upuan pati sidings, maayos po, at smooth ang suspension, wala po itong kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 2.9 liter diesel engine that produces 198 horsepower at 441 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, ready for long drive. Exterior appearance naman itong unit, makinis, presentable. Meron na rin itong rear parking sensor. Meron na rin po itong roof rack. Long wheelbase na to at makakapal pang mga gulong. Nasa 85% trade life. Sasakyan na lang to, ready to use. Next, 2018 Toyota Rush 1.5G automatic transmission gas engine odometer 55,000 km, price 680,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga gustong mag-upgrade dyan ng 7-seater MPV, meron po tayo ditong Toyota Rush. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button. Naka 8 inches touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Malamig ang aircon nitong unit with automatic climate control. All power windows, doors and mirrors, working po lahat. Fresh and intact ang interior, perfect to pang personal and family use. Under the hood, this Toyota Rush powered by 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, superb quality. Available po itong unit natin sa financing, paka-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Naka 17 inches alloy wheels at wala po itong gutter marks. Mga gulong neto, nasa 85% trade line pa po. Naka LED headlights and tail lights at mayroon na rin itong fog lights. Next, we have 2017 Mazda 2 hatchback 1.5V Sky Active automatic transmission gas engine odometer 54,000 km, price 440,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng hatchback na Mazda 2, meron din po akong sinama, mga idol at bossing ko. Naka-Android touchscreen head unit na po to, 6-speed automatic transmission with sports mode. Maayos naman ang kondisyon ng mga upuan neto. Safety features naman ito, meron na po itong 6 na airbags, dual front side and side curtain airbags. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter Sky Active Technology gasoline engine that produces 108 horsepower at 139 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing, plus check ulit ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Sa mga mag-a-apply ng financing, naka all-in low down payment na po tayo dyan. Sa mga cash buyer naman po natin, negotiable pa po yan na pang-viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Next, 2019 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4 GLS Premium 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine odometer 40,000 km, price 1,050,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga nagpapahanap naman sa akin ng SUV na Montero Sport, meron din po tayo dito mga bossing. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button. Meron na rin tong cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter. 7-seater ang capacity, naka-premium leather seats. Spacious po ang second row at third row nito at kung marami ko namang iloload sa cargo bay, foldable po ang third row nito. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, excellent engine condition, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 181 horsepower at 430 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing, plus check ulit ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Outside appearance, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent, nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, we have 2022 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5 Cross automatic transmission gas engine odometer 19,000 km, price 828,000. Location Cainta, Rizal. Another quality MPV, top of the line series. Ang ganda ng kulay nito at very low mileage. Naka-keyless entry, push start button. Meron na rin tong cruise control, multi-function steering steering wheel. Ang ganda ng interior nitong Expander Cross. Naka-premium leather seats. 7-seater ang capacity. Pristine interior condition, all intact. Will maintain ng owner. Kita naman sa itsura. Malinis. Flawless din ang unit na to. Wala ring gasgas, walang dent. For more quality units, you can visit my Facebook account, Renato De La Torre Jr. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon. Comment lang po kayo at i-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2016 Toyota Fortuner 2.4G 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 60,000 km. Price, 695,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Eto, Black Series na Toyota Fortuner. Isa rin sa pinakamabenta nating SUV dito sa Pinas. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Naka-touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Meron na rin tong USB ports. Front-wheel drive to, 6-speed automatic transmission. All-power na rin to, 7 to 8-seater ang capacity. All intact ang interior din ito. Nothing to fix, no issue. Under the hood, naka 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine that produces 150 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Superb quality engine, no hidden issue. Ready for long drive. Available din itong unit natin sa financing. Flash check ulit ng computation. Nandyan po sa screen. Naka-stock 17 inches alloy wheels po ito. Makakapal pa naman po ang mga gulong neto. At ang isa pang maganda dito, meron na po itong roof rack. Next, 2024 Toyota Race 1.0G automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 6,000 km. Price, 810,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron tayong good as new condition na Toyota Race. First owned unit at very low mileage lang po ito. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Race, eto, best buy unit to. Amoy bago pa to. Pwede sa maselo na buyer. Private used only, not bank repo. Fresh unit, all in good condition. Under the hood, naka 1.0-liter gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. May kasa markings pa yan with kasa warranty. Sa mga interesado, available din po itong unit sa financing. Pakicheck na lang po ng computation nandyan sa screen. Kompleto pong mga papel nito. Ready for transfer at naka-register to hanggang 2027. Outside appearance, makinis. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Next, 2018 Toyota Rush 1.5e automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 40,000 km. Price, 605,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another quality na Toyota Rush. Will maintain din to ng first owner. Ending 6 ang plate number. Wednesday ang coding. All stock, all original din to. Smooth and responsive. 4-speed automatic transmission. All power. Naka-fabric seat sa mga upuan. Wala naman pong damage. Smooth din ang suspension. Wala ring kalampag. 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history po ito. Under the bonnet, this Toyota Rush powered by 1.5-liter gasoline engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po itong unit natin sa financing. Pakicheck na lang po ng computation ulit. Nasa screen. Pili na lang kayo mga bossing sa mga ina-upload ko. Lahat po yan goods unit. At kung interesado naman po kayo para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, we have 2017 Isuzu MU-X 3.0 LSA 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 88,000 km. Price, 788,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Meron din akong sinamang MU-X, isa rin sa pinakapaborito kong SUV. Multi-function steering wheel, meron na rin tong cruise control. Smooth and responsive 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. All power, check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Naka-factory leather pong mga upuan nito, 7 to 8-seater ang capacity. Available din itong unit natin sa financing. Pakicheck na lang itong computation nandyan sa screen. Nothing to fix naman ang unit na to, no issue, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J Cat Skill Vlogs. Peace out!